Spectrum Mobile, like other carriers, typically sells phones that are initially network locked, meaning they can only be used on the Spectrum Verizon network. This is done to help recoup subsidized device costs and ensure contract fulfillment. If you see a network locked message, it means your phone is restricted. To be eligible for unlocking, your Spectrum account must be active and in good standing with no outstanding bills. If the phone was financed, it needs to be fully paid off. For postpaid accounts, you need at least 6 months of service, while prepaid accounts require 12 months. The unlock is for U.S. use only. Unlocking is now easier thanks to FCC regulations, particularly the 2021 unlocking rule. The FCC mandates these unlocks to promote consumer choice and reduce e-waste. Spectrum has streamlined its unlock process, especially since early 2025. Now, requests are typically processed within 24 to 48 hours once eligibility is confirmed. Spectrum also now provides real-time status updates via its app to enhance transparency. By unlocking phones, consumers can extend device lifespans, reduce e-waste, and take advantage of better carrier deals. To unlock your Spectrum mobile phone, start by submitting an unlock request via Spectrum's website or mobile app. You'll need to provide your phone's IMEI and your account details for the request. After submitting, Spectrum will verify your eligibility based on payment status, account standing, and service tenure. Once approved, Spectrum will either send you an unlock code or remotely unlock your device. For newer phones with eSIM, the unlock may be applied via a software update. Once unlocked, the change is permanent and irreversible for that IMEI. If your unlock request is denied and you believe it's in error, you can escalate the issue to the FCC for mediation. These appeals are successful in most cases. By 2025, unlocking saves consumers an average of $200 to $300 by allowing them to switch carriers and find better deals. Always use Spectrum's official channels to avoid third-party services, which can void warranties. Remember, the unlock is for domestic use only.